Good morning everyone. Welcome to IICCM Studio Kitchen. Myself Tanuj Singh Pua, and today I am going to prepare Avdi style chicken biryani. In traditional Avdi chicken biryani, meat and rice are cooked separately before being placed in a pot layer by layer and sealed completely. So let's look at our ingredients. 500 gram of rice, 400 grams of chicken, 200 gram of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, saffron milk, cardamom seeds, cinnamon sticks, onions, lemons and chilies, kerwa water, rose water, cloves, biryani masala, red chili powder, salt, garam masala, cardamom powder and mace powder, bay leaves, ghee also known as clarified butter, mint leaves, coriander leaves. So let's start with boiling water. Till the time our water is boiling, let's marinate the chicken. First we will add yogurt, let's add ginger garlic paste, let's add cardamom seeds and mace powder. Now let's add garam masala, salt for taste, red chili, and marinate. Mix it well. Mix it well so that our chicken gets good flavor. Chicken should be marinated for at least 4 hours. So let's keep our chicken in refrigerator for marination. In the meantime, our water is boiling. Let's start with cutting of onions. We require sliced onions for our barista and as well as gravy. We need sliced onions for barista and also as well as for gravy. Now as you can see, our water is boiled. So let's strain our rice that we have already soaked before starting. The rice is strained, and before adding our rice in boiling water, let's flavor the water. Let's add 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon sticks, 2 to 4 green cardamom and 1 black cardamom and few cloves and salt. Let's add kerwa water, also rose water. Now let's add our drained rice until it is cooked 70 to 80%. Until our rice is cooked, let's make barista for biryani. Heat our pan and add oil. Now the oil is hot and now we will add sliced onion. Fry the onion on the medium flame so that the onions make crisp texture. Until our onions are cooking, let's check our rice. Keep stirring the rice so that the rice doesn't stick at the bottom. As you can see, our rice are cooked 70 to 80%. So now let's strain them. Also, our barista is ready. So let's take it out in a bowl. You can see its crispy texture. So let's start cooking the chicken for biryani. We will add clarified butter or ghee. We can add lots of ghee because it's a Awadhi chicken biryani. Let's heat ghee, and once the ghee will be heated, we will add our whole spices. As you can see, our ghee is or clarified butter is heated. Let's add whole spices: bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, 2 to 4 green cardamom and 1 black cardamom, 4 cloves, and saute it for few minutes. Let them splutter. Start giving raw aroma. Let's add our onions. Let's our onion get cooked properly. We are going to cook our onion in nice golden color, and then we will add our chicken. So our chicken should be marinated till now. So let's take it out. As you can see, our onions have got finely golden color. Now let's add our marinated chicken to it. We have to cook our chicken for at least 7 to 8 minutes until our chicken is cooked 80 to 90%. Until our chicken is being cooked, let's start kneading the dough. We need this dough for dum cooking of biryani. As you can see, our dough is ready. Now let's seal the edges of our lid with the dough. As you can see, we will put it inside the lid, not outside. Now as you can see, our chicken is 80% cooked. Let's add the cooked rice. We will put it in a layer. We don't have to mix it. Now we will add mint leaves, chopped coriander leaves. For seasoning and flavoring, we will add caraway water, also rose water, a little bit of saffron milk, clarified butter, and in final, now we will add barista. Now we have added all the ingredients for flavoring and seasoning also. So now let's close the lid from all sides. Make sure that the steam doesn't come out. Now we have to cook dum biryani for at least 10 minutes on a low heat flame. Now our biryani has been cooked for at least 10 minutes. So let's switch it off and let it rest for 5 minutes. Our biryani has been rested for 5 minutes now. So let's have a look. Our biryani is ready, as you all can see. Now let's start plating. So let's taste our Awadhi chicken biryani. Our chicken is nice and juicy, and rice is also perfectly cooked with a subtle aroma and fragrance. Thank you for being with us throughout the video, And if you want to make your culinary arts career, come and join us in IICCM Pune.